Avalon self-cleaning, bottom-loading water cooler dispenser with an innovative slim design. Self-cleaning, bottom-loading, and slim, it's everything you could want for your kitchen. A compact design is the solution to being short on space. This bottom-loading water dispenser focuses on innovative design. UL Energy Star approved ensures that this unit is energy efficient, but you will want to know and make sure that you don't block the air vents. These air vents are vital for this hyper-efficient compressor. Avalon self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler dispenser with an innovative slim design is the best Avalon water dispenser for home use. It's slim, energy efficient, and child safe. This device uses a button on top of the hot water spout. You must use both hands to pour hot water. The first hand to hold the cup and depress the spout lever, and the other to hold down the lock button.